Hey besties.
Your girl.
Today is currently, what's today's date? Today is February 28th. It is currently 10:24 in the morning and I am about to go to the gym. But before I go to the gym, I'm about to stop at the gas station, give me a little Celsius. Oh, I forgot my water upstairs. Okay, I gotta go grab my water. But yeah, I'm finna go to the gym, finna go to the gym. Y'all just about to spend an off day with me. Today on the agenda, we're gonna go to the gym. We're gonna maybe go to Goodwill because I need some little stuff for work. What else? We gotta go to the grocery store because I want to make vegetable hibachi tonight. I need to do some work on my computer, so we may go to a coffee shop. I don't know. Y'all know I move slow, so next thing I know, it's gonna be 6 o'clock and the day is gonna be over. So we'll see what all we get done. But those are the things on the agenda. So let's see what we actually cross off. But yeah, first let me run back upstairs and go grab my water. And then we're gonna go to the gas station, and then we're gonna go to the gym. Okay, cool. BRB. Okay, got my water. Now off to the, oh, I gotta go throw the trash out, but that and then the gym. I'm hungry. Do y'all eat before y'all go to the gym? I probably should. I ain't got no groceries. I ain't got no groceries, y'all. I'ma eat. I might grab something from the gas station. Give me a little snack. Give me a little sneak from the gas station. I need a tripod for y'all. Y'all, oh my god, I have a surprise coming in the next video. OMG! Actually, y'all, so it's about to be my birthday, right? And you know what that means, birthday videos. So y'all gonna get a maintenance video, and y'all gonna get a trip video. Y'all may get a third video, I don't know. Because if I do something like when I go back home, before I go to my trip, I might vlog that and y'all might get that. But if not, y'all for sure getting a maintenance video and y'all getting a trip. Y'all, I can't believe I'm about to be 22. Don't even feel like I just dropped my 21 in the Yams video. I know. Don't get me started. I know. It was just like 3 months ago. Now that I think about it, y'all probably will get a video when I go home because, not to spill the beans, fingers crossed, not to jinx myself, I should be getting a new car when I go home. If everything goes accordingly. God please. God willing. But, for real, so y'all probably will be getting a video then. And that one might just be short, but whatever. Yeah, I'm hungry. Yeah. Really don't have much more to say to y'all. Gonna run in the gas station real quick. And then, yeah. Give me a little Celsius. Might get a little snack. Bye. Hey party people, so I'm back home from the gym. I just had like a little glute leg day. My ass hurts, yeah, but now I just have like a little bit of paperwork I need to do. Then I'm gonna get in the shower and we're gonna proceed with our day. I'm probably gonna make me some pancakes and sausage. Yeah, I don't really know. I don't never know. I don't know, y'all just ignore my dresser. Y'all just be along for the ride with me. Honestly, I never have a set schedule for y'all. But yeah, I just wanted to let y'all know we back home. I look Christy. Okay, I'll call y'all back. Okay. Is this up too high? I don't know. Okay, y'all. So as y'all can see, I have showered. I washed my butt. Now I'm about to make me something to eat. I've been craving pancakes and sausage lately, so we're gonna make it on it. Yeah. Bro, did y'all know that they said that there's a recall on pancake mix on the one that used to be Aunt Jemima? I think it's called like Aunt Miller or something now. That's why I got good old Walmart. Cause like what? Like they got a recall on everything, y'all. We can't eat shit. That's also part of the reason why I'm not making eggs right now, because we can't eat eggs, we can't eat chicken, we can't drink Minute Maid juice, we can't I don't know, it's on TikTok, y'all. It's a whole bunch of stuff we can't eat. All I know is no chicken, no eggs. That you love me, but you don't. Your family told me one day I would see it on my own. Next thing I know, I'm dealing with your 3 kids in my own. Love is so blind, it feels right when it's wrong. Now that it's over, stop calling me. Come pick up your clothes. Ain't no need to front like you're still with me. All your homies know. Even your very best friend tried to warn me on the low. Took me some time, but now I am strong because I realize. Okay, hey y'all. So we are at the park now. They're probably like, how did we just go from making breakfast at the park? I know, I'm sorry. But yeah, we are at the park now. I packed us a little baggie. Okay, so I packed us a bag. We're about to just lay out on the blanket, listen to a little bit of music, and give ourselves a henna tattoo. Yeah, it's a really nice day out. I think the groundhog lied, because my dude said we had 6 more weeks of winter, and it is... Oh, okay, it's only 66 degrees, but it was like 70 yesterday, so whatever. But yeah, I'm about to go lay out and do some henna. Yay, alright, come on, let's go.
About 5 minutes ago, when I seen the hottest chick that a youngin' never seen before, I say, yo, tell the girls I wanna meet her. On second time, that ain't the way to go. I gotta give her game proper, spit it so she get it, there she is, I gotta stop her. Or should I talk about a smile? Or what about a style? I'm out of time, she's out the door, I gotta go for mine. Or should I talk about a smile? Or what about a style? I'm out of time, she's out the door, I gotta go for mine.
Hey besties, so we're leaving the park now. I don't really know what my footage looked like while I was there, because for one, when I first got there the sun was beaming. I barely could see my viewfinder, my whatever this stuff is called, and then it was windy. Tripod kept getting knocked over. People kept talking to me, like 5 different people talked to me while I was at this park. But and then I was on the phone chopping it up with my mama. But this is the henna. This is what it... Don't focus on me. Focus on the henna. Okay. This is what it looked like. I think I'm done. I might add more later. I don't know. It just was getting cold. The sun was going down. And I'm not gonna lie, I gotta pee. So it's time to go home. I don't even know if this park has a bathroom, but if it does, I'm not using it. I don't really like public bathrooms, especially not no park bathroom. Yuck. Yeah, so we finna go home. Oh, I need to go to the grocery store. Oh, I need to go to the grocery store, but I gotta pee. Yeah, okay, alright, let's go on about our day, y'all. We finna go... We gonna see how bad I have to pee by the time I get close to the house, because if I don't have to pee that bad no more, I think I'll just go straight to the grocery store, and then we'll go home. Alright, bye. Baby girl, let me see you do your dance. Let me see you twirl. We are back from the store. I got our goodies. It's 6:33. I'm hungry. I want to start cooking, but like I don't want to cook and like this chip off into my food. But then also at the same time, I don't want to wash it off yet, but I'm hungry, so which do I sacrifice? My hunger or my henna? I'm not gonna lie, it's already starting to chip off, and I was watching like I was watching some TikToks on like this, like once I got home, and I was learning tips on how to make it stain darker. I think like this one probably ain't gonna end up staining that dark. I mean, it's gonna be cool, but I'm about to start really doing this for real because it was actually really fun, and I want to learn how to do it really good, and I'll take clients doing it. Okay, I'm about to go ahead and put the rice on so that I can start cooking, because I gotta boil it first and then fry it. So I'm about to put the rice on, and then we'll come back and actually cook. So, uno momento. Now we wait. I'll be back. What do it look like? Alright, we'll be back. Bro, why I just realized I was so busy rushing because I had to pee. I forgot the yum yum sauce. I was like, I go back to the store. I'm mad. You can't have about yum yum sauce, so I gotta go back. I'm sick. Got teriyaki sauce, but didn't get yum yum sauce. Wow. Alright. Y'all see me? Alright, cool. So I'm back from the store. Got the yum yum sauce. And now we're about to start cooking. Not gonna lie, I messed up my henna. It's probably still gonna end up darker than this, but I definitely messed it up. But that's okay. So yeah, I'm about to wash my hands and get to cooking. Y'all, I've never made hibachi before, so this is about to be our first time. So let's watch a little TikTok real quick. I'm gonna watch one TikTok and then I'm gonna go from there. Should I look up vegetable hibachi specifically? Vegetable hibachi, black people. I really feel like it's self-explanatory. Cook the vegetables, take the vegetables out the skillet, put the rice in the skillet, season it, fry it. I'm really still trying to contemplate on if I want to put an egg in this or not, because y'all know we're not supposed to be eating eggs right now. I probably won't, honestly. I'm probably not. So it's really just about to be rice and veggies. Yeah, I already rinsed the cabbage and the mushrooms before I left. All we gonna have in it is a zucchini blend, cabbage, mushrooms, and onions. Do I got broccoli? I may put broccoli in it. I don't know. Okay, so let's go prep our veggies.
Baby, what you wanna do? Shoot your shot 'cause I'm bulletproof.
Oh, listen, wait, baby.
Baby, what you wanna do? I'm ready to pull up on you. I'm ready to do what I do. This type shit have you wildin'. Last minute trips to the highlands. Drip, drip, drip when you sliding. Drip, 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 baby, ride it. Don't hesitate when you get it 'cause you know I like it. Taking up a date for you. Sweet baby, nigga, when you're biting.
Okay, y'all. This is what we looking like. It smells yummy. I ended up adding my teriyaki marinade in here along with chicken broth, and then I seasoned it. So yeah, that's how we cook our veggies. Once I finish this, I'm gonna then do the rice.
Baby,
Y'all see? I literally just put the rice down and then put the vegetables on top. And now for the best part. The yum yum sauce. Tea or what? Y'all, this is gonna be so good. This shit been buzz. Okay, y'all. Now for the moment of truth, we are gonna try it. I ain't never made this before, y'all, so if it's nasty, my fault. Okay, I'm gonna give y'all the first bite. Here's the first bite. Okay, was it good? Y'all taking too long. This shit fire, ain't it? Hold on. Oh, I'm gonna be making this. Demi just called me. We might be about to go to Top Golf. Fun. I know. Call my mommy and tell her about my food. Good. It's so good. Hey y'all. I just realized I never closed out my vlog from Friday. It's now Sunday and I'm getting ready to leave for church, and I just was thinking about that. I don't think I finished my vlog Friday. So yeah, I hope y'all enjoyed the video. I hope it amounted to something. If you guys did enjoy, make sure to like and comment and subscribe. And even if you didn't enjoy, still like, comment, and subscribe. Follow me on all my social medias, which will be down below. And just stay tuned for the next video. Okay, love y'all.